Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Kartra account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your Kartra account anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, sometimes you meet people in the wild, and instead of uploading a list of subscribers, sometimes you just need to add one by one. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the communications tab right here on the left. So in order to add a manual contact, once again, make sure you're on communications. It looks like a little envelope. All right. So once you do that, you're going to be here in the leads communications section. If you don't see this for some reason, make sure you click on leads here on the top left. It looks like a little person icon. And next, in order to manually add one contact into your Kartra, click on this blue box right here with the plus icon on it. All right, next you're going to see this option, and you want to choose this option here on the left, create a new lead. This one here on the right is if you're going to be uploading a subscriber list, like a spreadsheet. Okay, guys, so here is where you can manually add in one contact into your Kartra. So as you can see, you can add a lot of information about that particular person so that we can reference back to them later. So you can enter in their name, let's see, Anthony, and then you can put in their email. Okay, you can put in their phone number, you can put their company, what language, their mailing address. Also, if you split your list by tags, you can go ahead and tag them up here on the top right. So you can add a tag there. So at minimum, you definitely want to put in their name and their email. And then once you've added all the information to your contact manually, you want to click on this blue save button here on the top right. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this contact has been added into my Kartra. So let me go ahead and click on save. Okay, next it brings me here to my leads, and there you have it. There's my new contact right there in my Kartra that we added manually. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a contact into your Kartra manually, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.